Sengathi uStocky uzobhadla ejele for icala angalenzanga. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 13th to the 17th of May 2024 on Monday. Hlumelo abandons the mission to help uStocky. Yoliswa has him wrapped around her figure. Msimelo faces the worst fear on Tuesday. Nozuko's claws are out as she marks her territory. Funeka wakes up but is worried by the absence of a familiar face. Nomaflower and Ntando continue to draw closer together, which raises Zimkita's eyebrows on Wednesday. Nozuko is not one bit remorseful when the cops come to arrest her for assault. Yoliswa has her eyes on her next victim, Hlumelo. Msimelelo is left dismayed when his ex-wife wants nothing to do with him and blames him for the situation she's in on Thursday. Yoliswa works her way into Hlumelo's life and makes a lucrative investment into Mxenge's towers. Nomaflower defends her man to everyone, but Ntando proves everyone right that he is a dog. On Friday, Ntando's past ways catches up with him. Yoliswa's fate turns for the worse when she gets betrayed by her next victim. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.